Hello, welcome in this video. Hello trader, welcome in this video. We go to the structure. Let's start. First, what is the structure? The structure, we have two structure. We have a bearish structure and we have a bullish structure. A bullish structure is the equal high is the higher high and the higher low. And the bearish structure is the lower high and the lower low. Let's start with a bullish structure. First, what we see in the bullish structure, we have a higher low, we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and next. Then we have this. We have the higher high, and we have a little higher low, higher low. Next, what do we see? We see a point of higher low to grow to the up level, and we see the point of the higher high grow to the up level. Like this, we have a higher high this and grows with I think 200 pips, and this with a 1800 pips. Yes, this is a bullish structure. But what we see the market go to the higher high and go to the higher low and break this higher high. The break of higher high, we named it the BOS, like this, and we named it the BOS. Next, let's go to the bearish structure. In a bearish structure, what we have? We have a market in a downtrend, like this market downtrend. We have the market go. What the point we have? We have the lower high and we have the lower low. And what we see? We see the lower high go so lower to the lower high next, and the lower low go so lower to the lower low next. Yes, we see the market go here and create a lower high, and go here and create a lower low, and break this lower high, and go here, and we see the market go to this and create a lower low, and go here and create a lower high and break this lower low, and we named it the BOS, and go create a lower low and go after that create a lower high and break this lower low, and we named it BOS, like this. Next this, we create a BOS when the market break the last lower low, like this. The market go here and break the last lower low, and market go here and break the last lower low, and this is the bearish structure. Let's see it in the real market. In the real market, we don't see example like this. No, we don't see right here. We see like this. We see a very stronger structure here, and we see here, and we see here, and we see here, and we see here. This is in a real life. We don't see just a lines, a very precision with this lines. No, we see like this. And what we have? Let's see. In a real life, this is a bullish structure. We see the market go in the downside and go up and break this last higher high, and go up and create a higher high, and it go down and create higher low, and break this higher high. And the next this, we have example like this, and we have it like this, and we have it like this, and we reject in this concept of bullish and bearish is not a concept to trade, to place a trade. Like we look on BOS and we place a trade here. No, this is not a concept like a Fibonacci retracement, like order block, like a FVG. No, this is a concept for structure of the market. We have here, when we look, we have a bullish structure, and the bearish structure is like this. And let's go to the concept of consolidation. We have in consolidation, we have the price go up and go down in a vertical or vertical lines, and it's like a demand supply level. Have a supply and demand, and it go up, and it don't have a very big movement like this or like this, because consolidation is as the big whales is not inject in market like BlackRock, like Vanguard is not inject in this market as well. We don't have a big movement, then we don't have a very good opportunity in here, and I don't have a very good trade in here. And guys, I give you advice, don't trade it in this type of consolidation, because it's very hard and is so very difficult to win a trade here. Is win rate to, I think, 20 to 30%. I don't think to have 90 or 80% of win rate, because as don't have big movement, and we will see a big movement like this movement. Look at the FVG. Have break at FVG, is break at FVG, return here and place a trade. As this is the concept where we use, but consolidation is a good concept for, because before the consolidation we have a big movement, and after the consolidation we have a big movement. When we look in consolidation, we look the breakout. We have a breakout here, we have a breakout here. The breakout is a fake breakout. How no is a fake breakout? The fake breakout is the market don't break it is 200 pips, 300 pips. He's break it at 20, I think 20 to 50 pips, and here turn this side of consolidation and turn. And when we look here, we have a breakout, very big breakout. Here I think we have 300 or 400 pips to we are in the gold market. To have now in a gold market we have a very good price these days, and the last 2 weeks we have a very bullish trend in the gold. We have, I think, price in gold is so grow this last 2 weeks. I think 6 or 7%, because tariffs of Donald Trump, of America, of any other country. And let's see a trend line. What's the trend line? And trend line, what we see, trend line is, I think, perfectly like consolidation, but it's not horizontal like consolidation. The trend line, we use it to place trade, but not in the trend line. Next trend line, we look the structure of trend line. The trend line can be a pullback. We have in I think in a bullish structure we have a pullback, and this pullback we create a trend line. This trend line, when we see a breakout, we place a trade like the last video when I speak of demand supply level and the breakout, and how we use this concept for good opportunity. And I think I give you so many choices to see this video, because it's so good, it's so I think how I expect. It's so adaptive for your trade when you trade a MetaTrader. I think in any application of trade or platform like Binance, like other And this is trend line, and this concept of trend line and this concept of structure is not a concept for trade, it's a concept to know the structure, know the direction of structure, know the name of structure, name to look what behind in the next of the structure. Thank you guys. And thank you guys. Thank you. Don't forget like and subscribe to grow this channel and have a more subscriber, have a more views. And don't forget like for me, subscribe and chat. Go. Don't forget place trade and market.